If we want to edit our video on DaVinci Resolve and we selected our video and want to open it in DaVinci Resolve directly, it doesn't work with us. So, what we will do before opening our video on DaVinci Resolve to edit it, this is what we will do today. Let's begin. Hi, when we want to edit our video on DaVinci Resolve and when select our video and want to open it in DaVinci directly, it doesn't work with us. So, what we will do before opening our video on DaVinci Resolve for edit it, we need to create something that calls project to import our video there and start editing it. We have two methods to create a project. The first method after opening our program. Here at the bottom on the right, click on New Project and write your project name here. Then create. And second method, double click on DaVinci Resolve icon here. Then Command plus S. And write your project name here. Then save. And before import our video we should to manage our project settings. So, we come to toolbar at the top, then file, and here in below we will find project settings. Just click. The first thing in master setting and in timeline format. If you have a vertical video, determine this. If you have a horizontal video, leave it unspecified. The second thing is click here to determine your video resolution. Here you can customize your video resolution as you like. The third thing is the rate of timeline frame. Choose as you want, but this is the frame rate that your final video will come out. You cannot change it after importing your video to a timetable. And for video monitoring, choose frame rate and resolution as your timeline frame. Then save. Import video. Select video and drag here. Click Don't Change if you don't want to change the timeline frame rate, not video frame this. But if you want change your timeline frame rate to match with your video, click on Change. If we move to Edit tab, we click the symbol here on the video. We can see the frame rate of our video here. And if we back to project settings, we will find it at 60 frame rate. We also put it. We can change it now. But when we drag video to timeline, and return to project settings, we can't change it now. If we need to change timeline frame rate, select timeline, then right click, then remove timeline. And return to project settings again. Change timeline frame rate. Then video monitoring. And save changes. Click change. And drag video to timeline. You can edit VID now. After that, when want to export final video, go to Deliver tab. And come to here in frame rate. You can see 50 frame rate only. As I said, this is the frame rate that your final video will come out. You cannot change it after importing your video to a timetable and until during export. If you have any question about DaVinci Resolve you want to know, you can leave it in the comments section. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!